up, guys? I'm here with Tesla Club SoCal. We're here for another beautiful Tesla car meetup. The weather is beautiful. Let's go check out some cars. Follow me on Twitter. I'm always looking for the dopest tricked out Tesla. So let's see if we see one out here. By the way, if you like my shirt, burn rubber, not oil, check out fthepump.com. All the links will be in the description. And let's go check it out.
Dogs of Tesla. It's so I just wanted to originally I just wanted to feature more of photos and kind of, you know, things that make people smile, especially around the time when it was really hard for Elon and Tesla. And so, you know, when we went to the delivery center, we volunteered, we brought Frankie with us, and it just kind of, you know, helped just make things a little bit more lighthearted and fun. And the people that wanted to say hi to the dogs, they said hi to him. And he's a registered therapy animal originally, so he kind of has the skills to kind of be around people and give off a calming vibe. But, you know, we posted pictures of him, but then we also started reposting pictures of other dogs in Teslas and featuring them and giving people credit that are featuring their dogs and Teslas. And so from there, you know, we've done some events, charity events. We've collaborated with Black Model 3 on Twitter. I don't know if you know him. Yeah, Zach. So, and, you know, just interacting with Elon. Basically, it's our, you know, I got back on Twitter just to communicate and to kind of read what Elon's tweeting. And so that's around the time back in September, October of 2018 is when we really became a little bit more active in the Tesla community.
Actually, you have like two more little, right?
I have one German Shepherd, and then I have this Frenchie here.
What's his name again?
Frankie.
Frankie, German Shepherd?
Maggie May.
Maggie May.
So she's actually a rescue, and she was rescued in a Tesla, so thank you.
So,
all of it with DIY auto detailing supplies. So basically all of our products are water-based, no petroleum, no silicone, eco-friendly. You can go with the waterless version where you just spray on a towel, spray on a vehicle, clean it. Or you can use this in a gallon of water and then do a rinseless version, which actually I have on display out there today.
946487, you have it? Yes, sir. Okay. There you go. All right, another round of the same thing.
all right, guys, that's a wrap. We had a lot of fun. We had a great turnout. A lot of prizes given out today. Make sure you give me a like on this video. Follow me on Twitter. Make sure you follow Tesla SoCal Club. Also, After Pump DIY Supplies. All the links will be in the description below. I'll catch you in another meet. Make sure to leave a comment whether some of these cars were dope or nope. I am out. Until next time, work hard but play harder. Peace.